How's it going, guys? Welcome, welcome. Hope everyone's good. Yeah, let's get started. Guys. Let me share my screen really quickly. 1 second. Yo. Yes, guys, welcome. Welcome back to another YouTube live. Hope everyone's good. Early start this morning. But yeah, let's see what the session's gonna bring. We've had a decent push up on the 30. 30's push up nice and strong this morning. Hourly close strong above our level, so I'm just gonna be waiting now for some confirmation to take this higher, if I am going to take it higher. So yeah, how's everyone doing today? I'll start breaking gold down in a second, guys. I'll start breaking it down in a second. Hope everyone's good. Like I say, let's see who's here, guys. We've got 12 right now. I don't know how busy we're going to be. London, I don't really stream London that often, but I thought I'd just jump on today for a change. Let me see who's here, guys. Welcome. Like I say, guys, drop a like, subscribe, and let's get started. Instant push down on the hourly. If this hourly was going to flip now, it's a 30 tick stop loss, so you can't really have that. Let me just check the audio really quickly. 30 tick stop loss, you can't really have that. Yeah, sounds good. Yo, Julius, how's it going, mate? Welcome. Good to see you back, bro. Yeah, so guys, what I'm going to be looking for now is I'm going to be looking for gold to continue higher. I just need some sort of like confirmation. If we're going to push down, take these lows, and I can buy from here. But like I say, I won't be looking for sells just yet on gold. Really, sells are a write-off until you start closing below some levels. Maybe like 28.92. But yeah, for me right now, London session, it's pushed up quite nicely on the 30, sweeping liquidity look. First time I've really looked at the chart. Well, second time, but properly. Like, look, swept the liquidity, nice strong close above. I think gold could, you know, pull back before continuing higher. So we're just going to try and find that continuation higher. Yo, Aaron, how's it going? We've got 17 here, guys. It's good to see a good turnout on a London stream. Good to see it, guys. Love it. Like I say, drop a like. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you every day, guys. I thought I'd jump on for London, because I am a little bit busy in the US session today, so back on for US tomorrow. But yeah, I'm a bit busy in the US session today, so just thought I'd jump on for a couple of hours in London. Yo, Alex, how's it going, G? Welcome, bro. Oliver, morning, how's it going, mate? Welcome. Yeah, guys, simple analysis for today with gold. We've broke structure to the upside, look. 1 second, let me show you. Look, this was a range that we had marked out pre-London. Okay, we had this range, and we've actually broke and changed structure to the upside, you know, from consolidation back to bullish. So any sort of gold doesn't have to pull back into this level to then look to go long. No, if we just get a little, you know, liquidity grab, some confirmation, nice bullish structure, we can start looking for them longs, and that can happen in one 15-minute candle. You can literally get that on this 15-minute candle closure, and you can start looking for longs. So lock in and let's see what we can get. But yeah, welcome everybody. Good to see a good turnout again, guys. And we're almost at 600 subs, guys. Insane. Appreciate everybody for subscribing. But it's all about now if we can catch those long trades. I was looking before I jumped on here. I was looking for this hourly flip higher. You know, you had 18 ticks into that first target, but it's pushed down 30 ticks, and that stop loss is just a little bit too big for me. You know, look at that. You're risking 31 ticks to get 18 ticks first target. It's like less than a 1-to-1 at your first target. So for me, it's just not worth it. If this target was like 25, 35 ticks, then yeah. But when you've got like a 32 tick stop loss. Entered last night, 28.85. I'll tell you what, Alex, you get some great positions in the US session. 28.85. Yeah, you held for a little bit of chop, mate, but I mean, it's working out, isn't it? 28.85. Oh, did you enter? What time frame did you enter on, bro? Around here? Or this, maybe? Which has more volume, US or London? They both have great volume. London Open, US Open. But you can get good. You can take good moves most of the day. Like look yesterday at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock onwards. Look at that. We had a 130 tick sell off, and then look at that, from 130 tick sell off, instantly 160 ticks back up to end the day off, and then look at that, another push down of 120 ticks. So yeah, London Open and US Open have better volume. I would say right now, at the moment, I would say US is better than London. But the market has cycles, guys. So don't change sessions based off. If you're a London trader, don't trade to the US session because US has got a little bit more volume on the Open. No, because what will happen is as the market progresses over the month or the weeks, the cycle will change and it'll go from, you know, very good volume in US to a rangy, very good volume in London to a rangy US. So just stick to your sessions and they'll play out. You'll get the rough with the smooth on all sessions, regardless what you trade, Asia, London, US. But you get good moves all day on gold. You get good moves all day, like I've just showed. Look at that, 150 tick push at 8 o'clock, and you only need like 20 ticks of that. I need 40 ticks to get my account back positive. Nice, Arthur. We'll look for that today, bro. Like I said, there's no rush, guys. It's the second day of the new month. It's only Tuesday of the week. Big day ahead. Big day, big week ahead. Been watching it dance for ages. Yeah, like I say, look, if we're looking at what we've actually done in Asia, we've literally just been sideways. And then when we got this breakout on the 15 here, it's just tracked sideways again. So there's not really been too much opportunity. The only valid trade that there was a half risk long position here. You could have taken half risk longs. And the reason it's half risk is because you're within the range. Look, you're within the range. You swept liquidity, closed bullish. That's the reason it's a half risk trade. You know, if this set up here, then yeah, you've got some full risk longs. But it hasn't. It's just pushed without us taking the liquidity. Oh, look at the hourly wick fill. That is exactly what I wanted. I wanted this hourly trade. But that stop loss is too big for me. Because where's my management point? My management point is at this high. So I need to be break even at this high. The likelihood of hitting 16 ticks and then going back to break even for the sake of 34 tick risk is just not worth it. Ron, welcome, bro. How's it going? Yeah, welcome, G. Welcome, Ron. Swing entry, it was nice. Was it based off the 4 hour then? 4 hour trade, nice. Yeah, hourly's flipping now. I mean, guys, if you took this hourly entry, I'm going to ask the community if anybody took it. Because if anybody took the hourly, very, very valid trade, just the stop loss. Look at that, 35 ticks. I'm not risking 35 ticks for the... Look at that, your first entry is 16 ticks. If you took it, it's valid, very valid. Swept liquidity, closed above. You haven't got much targets, but yeah, it's valid. You'd have to be managing. You'd have to be managing the position at this sort of level. But yeah, that's a valid entry, to be fair. Liquidity, nice strong close above. Going with that overall volume. What time does the US session start? UK time, 1:30. Is pre-US, 2:30 is where you get some good volume too. Took the 30 flip with the small position, such a clean range to the left. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's clean. This entry on the hourly is super clean. It just isn't my trade just yet. I'll catch another trade soon. Love your strategy, bro. Always works literally like a money glitch. That's the thing as well. So many traders trade, like you'll see a lot of traders using ranges. Okay, a lot of traders use levels and a lot of traders use ranges. It's not only me. I'm not gonna say I'm the only one who trades ranges because I'm not. I'd be very stuck up to say that. Seriously, there's many traders who trade ranges, but is there anyone who trades ranges exactly like me? Not at all. Nobody trades breakouts like I trade them. But yeah, you'll see a few traders. Whether you watch, I don't know what people watch trading on nowadays. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube. Yeah, you'll see traders who use levels and breakouts. But will you see any who trade exactly my two setups? No, because I have two setups that I look for every single day. Two different setups. If I don't see them setups, I don't trade them. But yeah, that hourly was beautiful. I literally, as well, guys, if you want to scroll back and have a look, I did say I was looking at this hourly flip, but I'm not taking it because it's a 35 tick stop. And it has flipped, but I'm not having a 35 tick stop when we've got no liquidity to take. Even though it is flying. But, like I say, it could have easily gone the wrong way. Took a 35 tick stop loss. I like to predict the market as you don't, but implementing your strategy and seeing so much better now, insane, mate. Good stuff, Alex. That's what I like to see. If you can show up. Alex is here in the YouTube chat like every stream. If you're showing up and seeing some improvement just off sticking around for an hour and a half a day, that's great, man. Look at that push now. Essentially, it's a liquidity breakout strategy, high probability, clean traffic to the left. Yeah, that's it. But like I say, you'll see many traders trading breakouts, without recent liquidity being taken. That's something that I'm big on. You know, it's all good having a breakout strategy and using levels and using liquidity, but if you're trading it based off just a breakout, you're going to be taking every single trade breakout that you see. That's something I don't do. I'm interested to see if anybody took. Oh, nice. Love it. Jelly caught 3% on his combine with that hourly entry. Love it. I tried to combine all of them, but sometimes I'm working, so I might only jump on a few minutes, but appreciate your work, bro. Nice one, Alex. Appreciate it, man. Good stuff. Great work, mate. But yeah, this, if you did take the hourly, you need to be going break even here. You know, you're running about 62 ticks in profit, which is very clean. But the whole entry around this was liquidity grab, closure, continuation push higher, super clean. Stop loss was a little bit big, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna cry about it. I've got a full week ahead of me for tech positions. If you've not already, guys, let's drop a like on this video. Good to see everybody here too. Yeah, that's why gold works really well with breakouts. It's got a lot of volume. You know, gold, NAS. Look at that. What a push. 60 ticks in 5 minutes. Yo, how's it going, bro? Welcome. Cheers for the likes, guys. If you've not already, drop a subscribe too. Let's get to 600. We need 3 more. It's good to see the turnout today on the London session. Didn't expect 25 plus people to be here, to be honest with you. Nice. Does everyone like the London session then, I'm guessing? What a push. I am getting a little bit of FOMO now, but I'm not going to act on that emotion. And that's another thing that people need to understand that as well. Like, yeah, like I still feel that FOMO too. Like, I'm watching this push up like 70 ticks. Am I getting FOMO? Do I feel like that sort of emotion? Yeah. But am I going to act on that? Absolutely not. Think it's going to all-time high. My target on this swing, 3,000. Nice. Yeah, it could potentially, you know, you've taken that liquidity to the downside. If you start closing above some daily levels, yeah, you're probably going to see 3,000 next, but you need to clear like 29.20, 29.25. Big level. 4-hour level here. Once you clear 29.20 area, you're probably going to push higher. Yeah, I actually had the buy stop in, Arthur, and I cancelled it. Like and get better now using your strategy. Great stuff, Nancy. Nice work. Love to hear that. Yeah, it is pushing and pushing. But I still feel that emotion too, guys. Like I still feel the urge to want to buy this. And the annoying thing as well is that I woke up and we saw this half risk entry here too. There was 2 entries here. And it's just pushing. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. How many subs are we on now? Still on 3 more needed. 3 more. Insane. What a push, gold. What a push. If I was in this and I was leaving runners, it did be into these highs here. You got some decent liquidity highs to take. What a push though. It's good to see that some people caught it. But yeah, like I say, you've got 30-minute, that hourly push, sorry. You've got 68 ticks right now, 76. It's pushed like 100 ticks from entry, which is insane. What a good push that is. So if you are in this, you want to be reducing your risk now. That hourly impulse entry there is nice. Everything that you need for an impulse entry is there. Anton, the stop loss was just too big for me. Simple as that. 31 tick stop loss, Anton. 35 tick stop loss, but there was not much to target. Yeah, you've got clean traffic to the left, but I don't base my take profit off clean traffic to the left. I base my profit on highs and lows in the market. So the only high that I could target on gold would have been this wick fill for like 15 ticks. Okay. I don't look at the left and go, yeah, we've got clean traffic, I'm targeting this clean traffic. Some traders might do, but I don't. I target highs and lows, and I manage at levels. So if I was in this trade, I'd have managed probably here, or I'd have had to go break even at this wick fill, because that's the first management point. Like I say, if we had a high here like this, then perfect. You've got good targets, and I'd probably take the position. But when we've got a 35 tick stop loss, no liquidity highs and lows to run gold into other than all the way up here at like 250 ticks. For me, I just wanted that little bit more. And yeah, it has pushed, but not every time it's going to have a huge push like this. Like, look at this. You've got a huge, like, look at this. You've got a huge push here. What does gold do? Instantly reverses down. This could have easily happened there. It could have reversed down back into this structure and started bearish again. There's nothing to say that it were going to continue higher. It's literally like, you're putting yourself in the best position because you're bullish, closing above, taking liquidity. But was everything there for me to just take it with a 35 tick stop loss? No. As Joe said, there's more coming, although getting it in the morning can be... Yeah, that's what I love to do. If I can get a position in London, 30, 40 ticks in London, and be done. Yeah, that's insane. That's what I like. Yeah, you're definitely right about that. Guys, let's smash the 15 likes. We've got 22 here. We're on 10 likes right now. Let's smash another 5. Four hourly is looking clean too. Coming into a big level here though on gold. 29.07, big level. We could have a little bit of a rejection from here, to be honest. Look at that. Support, 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 resistance, support, resistance, resistance. Could see a little bit of a pullback now, which would be good for us because then we've got some more targets. Right now, we've only got these highs, which isn't bad, but we'd have to wait for gold to show something else now to go long. But yeah, there's always more trades. Always. Beautiful push though, there. Could that be the volume for the London session done? I hope not. Potentially though. If you've got any questions, guys, feel free to drop a question in the comments too. Joma looking for confirmation? Yeah, we'll be doing. Until we see that pullback, yeah, we'll. We've got some clear liquidity now. That 30 was nice. Yeah, that 30 was nice. Flipped like a beast. Was there a 5-minute valid entry? Let's have a look. Was not super clean. Not super clean, but yeah, you've got the concepts there. Look, liquidity, closure, entry here. But for me, nah, not for confirmation. I like the liquidity grab to close bullish. On a bullish confirmation, I like that bearish candle to close bullish. Gold is just going now. It'd been nice to have caught that, to be fair. Done for London session then. But can't catch them all, can you? 100 ticks there right now on gold. 15 minutes about to close in 2 minutes as well. And then you got the 4-hour closure in an hour and a half, but it's not too significant. Yeah, Wes, did you catch any of that, mate? Anybody else caught this push up on the hourly? 8 o'clock open, straight up. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one, nice one. Appreciate it. Yeah, what's Naz saying? Let's have a look at Naz. Yeah, wick too big. It was, yeah, like I say, it was pushing it. That was the thing, it was pushing it. Yeah, Naz is in a clear range too. Look at Naz. Yeah, Naz is in a clear range. I'd wait for a breakout on Naz. Look at gold, still going. What a beast. Probably going to come and take this liquidity now. Look at that, been 200 tick push that. Wow. Yeah, that's the thing. Whereas if you want textbook entries for your XFAs, I mean, 30, you need like 3 or 4 ticks bigger than the 30 that it is. Like, what was it on? Let's have a look what it was on gold. The wick on gold on futures, you'd have been risking... I haven't had a look exactly. Yeah, you'd have been risking 33 ticks. So 33 ticks is like, what? How much percent of your account? It's quite a big chunk. Depends how much you're risking. If you're risking one contract, 33 ticks is a decent chunk of the account. 34 ticks, yeah, 34 ticks is a little bit too big. You know, you've got 200 tick drawdown. So if you want to risk, that's like 6 trades until you blow the account. It was just getting on the big side for me. Yeah, here was 32, a couple of ticks below. Yeah, you're looking at about 34, 35 ticks stop loss. I mean, there was obviously, you could have half risked and took it, 17 ticks, then you stop loss, but... We'll try and catch it. We'll try and catch this long into these highs. Try and catch these longs into these highs now. Still got some good highs to take. If we can see something here, I'll take it. Seeing this push without us though is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's delete that. Delete that. We're still above this range. I'm going to be looking for them longs higher. I wouldn't say it's a bad. If you took it, nice work. If you didn't, always more trades, alright? There's always more positions. And that's what the great thing about the concepts are. Like, a few in the community took the trade, but a few didn't. Like, that's what it's all about. You're not always going to take the same positions as other people. I missed the trade. Obviously, Wes, you missed the trade, but, you know, Jelly got it. And he got 3 contract push higher. 3%. Like, that's the thing. Like, you're going to catch one that he doesn't. Tell you what, the weather's really good today. I like this kind of weather. Sunny, but a little bit cold. It's good. Welcome to everyone tuning in as well. Yeah, that's the key about the concepts. We trade, all the concepts are there. We all trade the same concepts. Maybe everyone has a little bit of twist on their own and what they look for. But look at that. Someone takes it in the community. Like, some take it, some don't. The next trade that most people take, they might not take it. And that's why the concepts are so key. You don't have to be taking the same trades as other people. You know, you'll see a lot of communities, and I've already mentioned this, but you'll see a lot of communities where, you know, they've got these huge groups and they're all taking the only trade. They're all trading the same trade, or they're all taking the same trade throughout the day because it's the only setup. And it's not a bad thing, but you're taking the same trade as everybody else. Like, there's no discretion at all in the strategy. And you need to realize that every trade's different. Every trade has got different, you know, different stop losses, different targets, different management points. And you need that discretion in trading. A little bit at least. I try to keep the strategy that I've got 2 setups that I look for. Okay? 2 different setups. It is a mechanical strategy that I use. But when it comes to levels and management points, that's where the discretion comes into it, because that's different on every trade. It's not the same. And you need that discretion in trading. That little bit of discretion, you need it. But good to see that we've got a good number tuning in, guys. flying like crazy. Yeah, it's pushing. Gold's pushing. Coming into a bit of a level here, though. Resistance level here. Could see a little bit of a reaction. Look, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. Could act as resistance again here. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. Appreciate everyone who's liking. Like I say, subscribe, guys, as well. We need... How many subscribers do I need now? 3 more subs to get to 600. So if you've not already, drop a little subscribe for me. And get me past 600. I appreciate everyone for that. But yeah, if this 5 can just drop down, take some liquidity, close bullish, I'll take longs into these highs. Because we still do have... look at that, 80 ticks into them highs. I hope it just doesn't take it without us, but we'll see. Welcome, welcome everybody. Look at gold gonna push now. We'll see. We're coming to a little bit of like minor support and resistance. If you look to the left, you can see nothing too key, but we could see a little bit of push to the downside from here. So don't look to just blindly go into anything, enter anything. Welcome everybody. Nice, we've got 25 here now. Good to see everyone tuning in. Is Goldie going to give us something? I hope it does. Ugh. Still got 50 ticks into them highs. What a push. It's almost a 200 tick hourly candle push. Into them highs, it'd be 200 ticks in 1 hour. Insane. Gold, insane. $15 is about to close in 6 minutes. We've still got 22 minutes of this hourly. I think this hourly should take this liquidity here. It's just a matter of when in the hourly it's going to take it. But it should take it. It's flying. Just watching the 5 now, see what it does. See how it opens. How many ticks have you got into there? 25? Not bad. The only trade that we can really take is the next hourly close. I'll see how the hourly closes. If we take this liquidity here on this hourly, then I won't be able to take the trade. But the next trade that we potentially got is the next hourly closure. Awesome confirmation. So we'll see. We'll see what gold wants to give. Like, if we create some space now, it would be nice. Because we've got some good targets here and here. So that's what I'd be looking for, okay? If we can close in 19 minutes without taking this liquidity here, then perfect. I'll look for that entry. But I'd expect these highs to get taken. And like I say, if we close like this, look at that, you got 50 ticks into them highs, which is plenty. I think if gold breaks past its at high now, you're going to push. So, you know, even if we can get a flip from, say, here, you know, you've got like 60 ticks into them all-time highs. So that's what I'm going to be watching. Watch this hourly closure and then enter the next candle. I think that's the trade for me. When you understand liquidity, everything becomes easier. 100%. 100%. Not many actually understand liquidity. Where liquidity lies, how to take liquidity trades. Guys, also go and follow. I'll post it in the chat now. Go and follow my Instagram. I've just put my Instagram in the chat. Click the link and go and drop me a follow. I'll drop you a follow back, guys. So yeah, the next entry for me is in 15 minutes. Either that or 5-minute confirmation or 15-minute confirmation, whatever. But yeah, I'd expect if this hourly is going to close bullish like so, then the next candle's going to push and continue the push, at least into the liquidity, because you've got like 2 equal highs here to take. I'd expect this liquidity to get taken, so that's what I'm going to be looking to target. How was my trading day yesterday? Yesterday there was quite a lot of there was actually a lot of valid entries. Yesterday was actually quite clean. Look, you had some decent moves on gold. Yeah, it did range pre-London, and then we had that nice London push where there was a few entries that you could have took. And then it did track sideways a little bit. But like I said, there was some entries. I was just busy yesterday doing other things. Yeah, I was busy, so I only had about 2 to 3 hours on the charts yesterday. I did a member Zoom call. I did the US session for an hour and a half. But other than that, I was setting some stuff. I've like I say, I've just installed some new broadband, or I was ringing around trying to get some new broadband installed, and I was setting up my setup, ready for hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, guys, let's see how this closes, this hourly and 15. I'd expect the next hourly to push higher, so it's all see how this 15 closes, and then we'll go from there. How did your day go, Aaron? How was your day, mate? Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. If I'd like this 15 to close bullish. We haven't really got a top wick either. We haven't created a top wick here, so I'd expect this to be created at some point. Like I say, with this volume and this breakout, you wouldn't expect this to just fall to the downside. Be very surprised if it did. Especially after this hourly 30-minute closure. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how we close on this 15. If there's no entry, then I'll just stay in the community. I'll probably jump on a member Zoom later. But yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for this 15 entry. If there's no 15 entry, then that's it. I don't want to sit on here and try and catch a long position when we're just probably gonna range and not push any further. I need to see if that volume's there. And the only way I'll see if this volume's there is if this 15 closes bullish. And if this hourly can close more bullish like here, then I can take that, 50 ticks into them highs. But I need that push now. What I don't want to see is if this next 15 closes down here, what's that telling me? It's telling me that it's not going to push into these highs just yet. I need this 15 to close bullish. Because then would have taken prior lows, close bullish. And not only that, even if I was taking the hourly trade here, because hourly is still valid, look. Liquidity. Closure. I know it's a higher closure, but you want it to close as bullish as possible. Right now, this is a little bit wicky, in my opinion. So let's see. You still want to put us down now. Yeah, so if this 15 closes bullish back above this area, you've got confirmation there. And then you've also got the hourly too, so all depends on how this 15 closes, really. Yeah, look at this 15 now, pushing down. Ugh. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. Appreciate everyone liking, subscribing. Drop a comment as well if you've got any questions. But you're seeing the push up on gold with this war news, I think. With the war looking like it's not going to end anytime soon, people are investing back into gold as it's that safe haven. So, could this continue higher? Possibly. I think there's some news coming out with Donald Trump. I think he's talking again tonight, Trump. Let's see what Naz is doing. Yeah, it's respecting this range really nicely. You've got some nice liquidity here too on Naz. Depending on whatever side you break out of here, you've got decent. Look at this. This is as clear as it comes with when it comes to ranges. Like if you want a perfect range, it's this. So if you break below here, you're probably going to see these lows taken on Naz. Yes, we've got 20 here. Welcome all 20. Everybody here, welcome. Guys, let's smash 2 more likes. If you haven't liked the video, smash a like. Get to 15. Come on. Let's smash it. I think every video's 50, every live's 15 plus. Oh, I think the volume's just died off a little bit. Yeah, guys, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give you an update of what I'm gonna be looking for now. I'm gonna give you an update because I'm gonna head off in a couple of minutes because this is not closing strong enough for me to want to long. You know, Wickfield's 80 ticks away. They're great targets, but you don't want to be entering a Wickfield entry that's 80 ticks away. Yeah, it's nice. What I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be seeing this hourly yet could close stronger. If this hourly closes, say here, for example, and you've got, you know, like 20 ticks and then 40 ticks into them targets, perfect. But it's just not closing strong enough for me want to be long, going long yet. You know, we're reacting from some levels to the left here, look. So what could happen? Price could start pushing down a little bit before the continuation higher. I am really only looking for buys right now on gold. We are above levels. There's no new range, so I'm only looking for buys. So what I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be looking for either confirmation. Okay, looking for confirmation into these highs. If I can see that confirmation, I'll look to go long into these highs. But I'll be needing to see that 3 candle pattern confirmation for that. In terms of shorts, back below here, 28.92 for now. That could change as more price action develops. But I'll see you all in the community anyway, and if I see any positions, I'll let you know. But yeah, guys, I'll see you all, community members. I'll see you in the Discord. See you in the Discord community. And YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for longs into this liquidity now. Into these highs here, and then these highs up here. So we've still got a decent way to go from where we are. Look, we got 100 ticks there, and then 200 ticks into them highs. So that's all I'm looking for now is longs. I'm not looking for shorts at all. Yeah, nice one, bro. The way I'd look for shorts is back below here. Back below here for sells. Or if price creates a range, buys and sells then. But it hasn't created that range yet. But yeah, guys, I'm going to head off. It's good to see everybody. Good to see that we had a good turnout. We had 24 people. 24 viewers at one point, which is great. So cheers for everyone for tuning into London Live. Good to see, like I say. See you in the next one, YouTube. And Discord members, I'll see you in the Discord now, okay? In a bit, guys. Hope everyone's enjoyed the session. If you've taken some value, that's great. But right now, I want to see that confirmation before I long. Right now, this hourly isn't closing strong enough. But yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Peace.